In this Fulfilling Orders lesson, we'll discuss the process of assigning orchestration processes. Our learning objectives for this lesson are as follows. After completing the topic, you should be able to explain the concepts of defining a process assignment rule and be able to explain orchestration groups. With each lesson, we're introduced to this graphic which represents the wide range of functionality provided by the order-to-cash flow. Each topic touches on these functions, including upstream and downstream integrated applications. In this lesson, we focus on assigning orchestration processes to fulfillment lines. Our first topic is process assignment. After you submit an order, order management automatically assigns an orchestration process to each fulfillment line. Process assignment rules control how an orchestration process is assigned to one or more fulfillment lines in an orchestration order. These rules run in the Oracle Business Rules engine. You build them using orchestration groups and orchestration order attributes to drive the assignment logic. Here are a few important points to keep in mind about process assignment rules. You don't need to specify versions or effectivity dates in your process assignment rules because versioning and dates are managed at the orchestration process level. Also, since assignment rules themselves aren't versioned, any release changes take effect right away. If you need to control when a change becomes active, you can save that rule and wait to release it until you're ready. In addition to the standard user interface, you can also use an alternative interface called the Visual Information Builder to create and manage process assignment rules. The Visual Information Builder is also available for pre-transformation defaulting rules and external interface routing rules. Orchestration groups are used in specific scenarios, including coverage and covered items, shipment sets, and models. Finally, when an order is revised, order management reruns the same orchestration process to evaluate what changed and determine the required updates. This graphic shows at a high level what happens to a sales order after a process assignment rule runs. At this point, the order has already been decomposed, meaning that the sales order lines have been converted into fulfillment lines. The next step is to fulfill those lines by assigning each one to an orchestration process. The process assignment rules you configure does this automatically, using the conditions you define to determine which orchestration process to apply. This graphic shows a process assignment rule with the following condition: if the order contains item AS86004. As a result, when a fulfillment line includes this item, the rule assigns the ship order generic process orchestration process to that fulfillment line. The orchestration process assignment rules can be used to trigger different orchestration processes to enable various specialized fulfillment workflows such as bill only, ship only, returns, standard shipping, dropship, back-to-back, and others. This can help you create, deploy, and leverage multiple orchestrations flows simultaneously based on order attributes such as items, customer, order types, and many more fields which are exposed to the orchestration process assignment rules engine. How to create and modify orchestration processes will be explained in detail in the next lesson. Our next topic is explaining orchestration groups. A fulfillment line belongs to an orchestration group. To streamline processing, Oracle Order Management assigns fulfillment lines to predefined orchestration groups before fulfillment. There are a few types of orchestration groups to be aware of. A shipment set is a set of order lines that Order Management ships together as one group. These lines ship and arrive on the same date, although they may be packaged into more than one package depending on packing requirements. A model or kit is a configured item that includes one or more configured options. A standard orchestration group is a group of standard, non-configured items or finished goods. All fulfillment lines that belong to the same orchestration group are assigned the same orchestration process. To reinforce your learning, this lesson includes a student practice